Hey everyone, how you going today? Just a wee update on PancakeSwap Marketplace. According to their most recent tweet today, they are going to do a slight delay on the launch of their new NFT marketplace, which was going to be held on the 22nd of September, and now it will be delayed until 30th of September. Okay, so why the delay? It's not a big deal. I think they were just a little bit too optimistic and they announced it a little too early. In the article, they go on to recap about the two initial phases of their launch. So phase 1 is buy and sell approved PancakeSwap collectibles, Pancake Bunnies and Pancake Squad. Phase 2, buy and sell other collections, coming soon after phase 1. Okay, and the trading fees for phase 1 will be set at 2%, and all fees collected by PancakeSwap will be used to buy back and burn cake, so that's good news for cake holders. Okay, and the Pancake Squad collection drop has also been delayed until October 7th. They also released some more info about the details. Pancake Squad is a brand new generative collection of 10,000 different NFTs brought to you by our very own chef Cece. The bunnies will be randomly generated from over 180 different traits with tens of thousands of possible combinations. No single Pancake Squad NFT will be entirely alike, and the sale will take part in 3 phases. Okay, and the 3 phases are the pre-sale phase. Wallets which are eligible for the pre-sale will have a few hours before the public sale in which they can buy minting tickets in advance. We'll share the details about the eligibility criteria later. I'm very curious about this eligibility. Perhaps these people are holders of a lot of cake in the syrup pool, or perhaps they provided a lot of liquidity in the farms, or perhaps they set up their profiles for cake a long time ago. This is all pure speculation on my part though. Okay, and the next is the public sale phase. Spend a cake to buy squad tickets. First come, first serve, so it's going to be a big rush. And the third phase is the claim phase. Shortly after all 10,000 squad tickets have been bought, we move to the claim phase. Ticket holders can redeem them for free to receive a randomly assigned NFT. Okay, and also one other thing, PancakeSwap profiles are required to participate. Okay, so make sure you check out my last video. I do a walkthrough demo exactly how to set up your Pancake profile. Okay, and that will be in the top right corner of the video now. Okay, and you'll be spending cake to buy minting tickets, but remember you'll need BNB in your wallet to pay for the transaction fees. Okay everyone, that's it. Good luck everybody. I hope some of us are lucky enough to pick up some of those rare Pancake Squad NFTs. Bye for now everyone, and have a great rest of your day.